Tesstudio intelligent dashboard display with ambient lighting installation tutorial. Open the frunk. Remove the various trim panels and components of the frunk. Unscrew the securing screws and remove the storage box. Remove the passenger side weather strip. Pry open the passenger side interior trim panel. Pry out the clips at the locations shown on the passenger side video. Remove the passenger side door sill trim. Remove the trim below the glove box. Disconnect the passenger side footwell light. Disconnect the passenger side glove box speaker. Get the wire feeder ready. Insert the wire feeder through the front grille into the car. Secure the wire feeder to the camera wiring harness with tape. Pull the wire feeder from outside the car to draw the wiring harness out. Unbind the wiring harness from wire feeder. Prepare the front camera. Apply the provided double-sided tape to the front camera. Attach the front camera to the front grille of the car. Clean the area before sticking to prevent falling off. Connect the front camera to the wiring harness connector. Pull the excess wiring harness into the car. Locate the wiring position as shown in the video. Cut off the soft rubber seal and find the wiring hole. Push the wire feeder into the wiring hole. Camera angles may be tight and shaky. Please excuse this. Bind the wire feeder to the front camera wiring harness with tape. Under the passenger side glove box, locate the pushed-in wire feeder and pull it to draw the wiring harness into the car. Unbind the wire feeder from the front camera wiring harness. Pry open the decorative cover. As shown in the video interface, the original vehicle harness on the passenger side. Pass wire feeder through the hole and pull it out from the top. Bind wire feeder with the signal wire and pull them through together. Repeat these steps as needed. Use the appropriate tools to hide the wires within the vehicle's interior. Install the FY9-C. The 2 wires in the right hand should come from the front camera and power source. The 3 wires in the left hand should come from the FY9-C unit. Connect the corresponding plugs together. Prepare the extension wire. Connect one end of the extension wire to the FY9-C unit. And the other end to the control box. Prepare the splitter wire. Connect the single-ended side of the splitter cable to the control box. Connect the two ends of the double-ended side to the ambient lighting wires on the dashboard. Reattach the other half of the trim panel to complete the installation. Double-check that all connections are secure and all wires are properly concealed. The installation of the FY9-C is now complete.